front seat probably at the Super Bowl. 49ers, and you already know. And if I lose all my bets, and your bitch is a hoe, so oh no. Back to the flow. Here I go. Where we about to go? Probably to the fucking liquor store. We got the vodka. They call it Pinnacle. Never mind that shit, man. You couldn't even time this shit. You couldn't even never mind rhyme this shit. Cause my rhymes out your mind and the time and shit. Every time that I spit this hotness, niggas be like, you got this. He's the master. Fucking bitch, come faster. Come faster, come on over here. Get me my fucking sub right now. Where the fuck my food at? On the side, you better bring it back. Yeah, I rap, motivational speaker. Leader of that vodka, all that other shit. Good shit. Say my government.